I was attending New York University in a master's program in international law. And the professor for whom I was working is a specialist in human rights and humanitarian law. So as I was completing the program, a position was open at Fragomen, and Ted Marin, my professor, knew Austin, and because Austin was an adjunct at NYU at the time, and I had made the mistake of not taking Austin's course. So when I interviewed here, I had to explain why I hadn't taken the immigration course. But Ted Marin suggested that I apply to the firm because he said that it's a field where there is a tremendous amount of people contact, of human contact, and that you can help others. And it would be a field of interest from an intellectual standpoint with the diversity of the client base, and so he strongly encouraged me to apply to the firm, and I did, and that's how I'm here today. Well, one of the aspects of immigration that I've always enjoyed is that we work across so many industry groups with our clients that as an attorney in the firm, you have to be familiar with the different sectors and become somewhat versed in each sector. And really, I sometimes think of it as sort of being a Renaissance person, so that you have to be able to talk about an energy facility or work with aircraft engines or the petrochemical sector. So you have to be current in a diverse number of topics to be able to support the clients, and that's fun.